Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Still on our bread series. Today I'm going to be making a simple snack with bread. It just requires 4 ingredients. If you have kids, they're going to enjoy this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to leave a comment below. So let's get started. We'll be needing bread, cinnamon powder, hazelnut cream or Nutella, and some crushed nuts. So we're going to start by trimming the edges of our bread. For this particular recipe, it's not compulsory for you to remove the edges, but if you want your bread to look neat and nice, you can cut off the edges. Now I'm going to roll this up with a rolling pin. Now I'm going to spread my chocolate cream on my bread. Like I said earlier on, you can use Nutella or any other chocolate cream of your choice. Ensure you spread the bread evenly. Now I'm going to roll this up. Now I'm going to press this gently to seal it up. We're not using water to seal the edges this time around. This is because our chocolate cream is enough to seal it up. So this is what your bread should look like. Now add a small amount of butter to your pan and smear the pan with it. Now gently place your bread into the pan. Ensure you cook this on low heat so your bread won't burn. Normally I would have simply greased my pan with oil, but my reason for adding this much butter is for the bread to be moist on the outside. This is because we're going to dip our bread in cinnamon powder, and the moisture will help absorb the powder. So I'm going to flip this over to the other side. Now I'm going to take this out. We're not done yet. Now I'm going to take one of these and dip it in cinnamon powder. If you don't like the taste of cinnamon powder, you can skip this process, but the cinnamon flavor adds to the tastiness of this particular recipe and it makes it look pretty. But you can actually mix a small amount of cinnamon powder with your chocolate spread if you want to skip this process. So just dust off excess powder from the bread. This snack is best enjoyed when it's hot or warm. So when you're done making the snack, you can heat it up in the microwave for like 1 minute. The microwave will also help the bread to absorb the cinnamon powder. Now I'm going to add some chocolate cream to the side of my bread. This will help the nuts to stick to the side of the bread. Now I'll dip this into my nuts. I'm using cashew nut for this recipe. You can decide to use any nut of your choice. Just ensure you crush it to pieces. And if you want more nuts in your bread, you can put them inside the bread before rolling it up. So this is how your bread should look. Now our bread snack is ready. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.